No, I will never do that. I have no remorse towards her. And the only reason why I have no remorse towards her are because of what she do to me. In terms of defaming my character, and she know it's lie.
Right.
You understand? So me have my reason to say that. I could have come over here and tell her to say, oh, I feel sorry for you. Me that lie. And I'm not a liar. Me that lie. Yes, what them do wrong. Straight up. Because them can't do it to anybody that's invading of somebody's privacy. You understand what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, do I have remorse towards her? No, I don't. I don't. And I don't care who it is, whatever or whatever. If I don't have any remorse towards her, and I can state the reason why I don't. I have a reason to. You understand what I'm saying, Vani?
You see, with the picture, me not really watch the picture, you know, cause Rosealee had her pum pum, you know. So basically, our picture.
Yeah, so it's not even like you see her without clothes and you're surprised because you don't expect something different.
Right.
You understand? She's without clothes. She's without clothes. We see exactly what we expected. You understand? So it's not like if it's a surprise. You see what I try to say? Most people are talk about the condition of the house. Me personally think she can do better. I know she can because she have the money. She have the money. Can do better. She can buy new door. She can buy new tile. She can paint it out new brand. She can put in new furniture. She can do anything. You understand? Really and truly, I don't know what she's doing with her money. I don't know if she's saving to buy a mansion. I don't know. But at the end of the day, if she's comfortable living like that with her kids and think that it's okay, who am I to say something or say otherwise? If me an health inspector, me can't say nothing. I'm never qualified in health inspector field. So me saying something, it doesn't even matter, bestie. You get me? Because if she's comfortable living like that, that's her choice to make.
Right.
You understand what me I try to say? If she's comfortable living like that, it's her choice than mine.
Sometimes when you talk, the people that might want to bring you down and the thing them and things say y'all like talk bad about her, but it's nothing about talking bad. But I just felt like, you know, maybe our old situation could have been better for sure. Like, you know, it could have spread, you could have used one wet cloth by the door.
Despite Vani.
It has to take a lot of days for the door look like that. You understand? The door doesn't look like that one time.
Despite Vani, But alright, hold up, Vani. What I'm saying.
People are looking at two pictures. Me I look for the police there wrong. Alright.
Despite the condition of the door or whatever, she can fix it if she want. But the thing is that she don't care. That is the thing. And then what me not understand about these people, they're acting surprised. Why are you guys surprised? Candice, big up Candice. She is the image that she portrays. She look like somebody will invest in herself. No, she don't. She look like somebody will care about her surround. No, she don't. And lazy actions, they get lazy results. You understand what I'm saying? We see Vani get up on live, straightening up our local place, do what she can. We don't see these things from this girl right here. So the thing is that we see something now and we're acting as if we're shocked. Why are we shocked? Why are we surprised? Thank you so much, Candice. Doorboard, thank you. Everybody big up. Why are we shocked? We're not supposed to be because your image reflects who you are. How you carry yourself reflects who you are.
That's true.
You understand me? And it doesn't matter how verbally disgusting you are or verbally disgusting you are or whatever. We can know when, oh shit, my mute there by mistake. Sorry, there. I mute by mistake. Let me take off that. My mother, you see the mother? My mother there. Let me get
I understand where that come from, guys.
You don't understand what me I try to say. So these are the things. If I'm going to see somebody on the internet every day, they don't even care about how they look. They don't care about their appearance. They don't care about their hygiene. They don't care about their themselves in general. Why when we see certain things we're surprised? We're not supposed to be, because your image reflects the person you are.
No, then again, let me pause it for a second. Hold on. Let me pause it for a second and say something what me wants, right? Remember, I know when she go live, she don't really go live all over. No, we know why, but before we even know why, she always sit one place. So if me did see her go live and so she eat out of one plate and fling down the plate, I could have say, yeah, her self-define who she is. But normally, she just sit down in a one chair and you know how she fat, so she just cover up in the screen. That's it. When she go out, she look good when she go out in her clothes them. So me still have to shock when me see it, because I know like she showed me something on live. She said, yeah, me know that she a
as a Jamaican Valley.
She said, yeah, she a naughty girl. So when me see her picture now, me surprised. Remember when we did Jamaica, the one we had, we only thing we see is that sometimes our ear maddy. When we did Jamaica, my head maddy too.
All right then.
So I'm gonna really see
this is the internet. This is the internet where you have filters and you have all these things to make everything looks different, even what it's not. Look at previous videos before. Look at previous pictures before and of how this individual carry herself as a female. And then let us talk. Because when we're talking about a screen that we sit one place where there's a filter filtering us, it's different. Because remember in Ivany, we can go take up and get up. We can get up and go put on dirty clothes, but clean clothes, but dirty skin and spray look a cologne and go out and look beat, you know. That doesn't say we're a clean person, you know.
That's true.
You understand what I'm saying? But the thing is that, look at me as a person before and how I carried myself. And look at me now. And look at that individual as a person before and how that individual carried themselves, especially being a female. And let us not blame it on poverty, because we have people that's poor. You'll never see them looking a certain way. They must have at least beard. You never see them barefooted. You'll never see them carry themselves a certain way, as poor as them be. You understand? So let us take poverty out of it. Look at how this individual carry herself before all of this. Because even now I still don't see a change. Because this person is just sitting in front of a screen. Anybody can put on some weave and put even clean clothes on dirty skin and look neat. It's a difference.